we are going to talk about women and law. Okay, what laws protect us, how laws are protecting us, and this is a very important aspect because lot of time we have seen that women do not know about the laws that protect them. Women do not know about their rights. Sometimes it also knows that women know about the laws, women know about their rights, and sometimes they take advantage of the fact that they have so many laws in their favor. Okay, but anyhow, we will talk about women empowerment and law. Friends, we have learned about the programs for women empowerment and their welfare schemes meant for them. Now, let us try to understand the constitutional rights and laws enacted for the improvement in their condition. These are classified in 3 sections. So, first we are going to talk, they have classified into 3 sections. First is what are the constitutional rights, what rights do we have. Second part is what laws are there to protect women, and the third part is what are the welfare laws for women. Okay, so these are the 3 categories that is in which it is divided. First is constitutional rights for of women. Constitutional laws are considered as a fundamental laws in any country. Everybody has rights, right? Like we have a normal human right to live the way we want to live, right? Like we can breathe the way we want to breathe, right? So every country has the constitution, every country has the laws in that constitution, and it is the job of every country to make sure that every person living in their country is treated like a human being. That is the least we can do, like treat another person as a human being. In order to bring about social change with improvement in women's status and to provide them status and opportunities equivalent to men, the Constitution of India has given women a variety of rights. Now, in order to make sure that women know about their rights, in order to make sure that we treat women equally, in order to make sure that we improve the level of women in our society, in order to make sure that women also get equal opportunity, we have certain laws for women in the constitution. These includes right of living. Every person has the right to live, right of living. Marrying at an adult age. What is the adult age in India? 18 years. Okay, so every woman has the right to marry a person at an adult age. Marrying the person of their choice. Nobody can tell me whom I should marry and whom I should not marry. It's my personal choice to marry whoever I want to marry. Getting divorced. Okay, I can get divorced. Okay, I can remain in marriage. It's my wish. Remarrying. After divorce, I have the right to remarry. Getting the share from the property of husband or father. Okay, now earlier what used to happen is that girls used to not get the share of the property of their father because it was considered that when women marry, okay, they get karyavar, they get dowry, they get other things, and that is given to them, and the property, the house, the farm, the land, everything was in the name of the boy. But now it is not like that. Women can ask for the share of the property of their husband or their father. They have the right to ask that. Getting maintenance from the husband if divorced. Sometimes what happens is that when women do not have jobs, when women don't earn properly, or when women have been tortured or let's say suffered for a very long time, and when they get divorced, they can ask that the husband provides them with maintenance. Maintenance is that the husband has to give certain amount of monthly rupees to their wife as the order to make sure that she lives a proper life. Living separately from her husband to save herself from atrocity. She can live away from her husband to save herself from any of the bad things that the husband is doing. Atrocities means bad things. Having the right over own earnings and dowry. Okay, she has the right that the money she earns is her own money. The husband cannot demand for that money. Okay, and she has the right over the dowry. Whatever dowry was given, it's hers. Okay, and when she gets divorced, she has the right to ask for the dowry back. Getting protection against exploitive customs. She has the right to get protection from police, from the laws, from any exploitive customs. What are exploitive customs? Like rapes, Okay, a lot of time there are such customs in villages, there are such customs in tribals that you cannot imagine. Okay, it is so bad, it is so bad that you can't imagine. Like what happens is that this is seen in many parts of villages, that when the girl, okay, she gets married, and when it's her first night, okay, what they do is that they bichhao white bed sheet on the bed, okay, and after the first night is over, the mother-in-law goes into the room, takes out that white bed sheet, and shows the village, their whole village, that bed sheet with red blood, showing that her bahu was a virgin. Okay, I hope you all know that there's a concept called virginity, and when your virginity breaks, you bleed. Okay, that is what happens when you have your first sexual experience, you bleed. Okay, and that is a proof to the village that the bahu I got was virgin, was pure, and that my boy, or that my child was successfully able to experience was able to successfully have a sexual experience. So there are such ruthless customs. There are many like that. Okay, there are a lot of customs from which women need protection from, and we have laws that protect women from such customs. Women of weaker section have the right of getting free legal assistance and benefits of reservation in jobs, education, polity. So now what has happened, that women who belong to weaker section, women who are poor, they have, like, if they are fighting for their rights, if they are fighting for divorce, if they are fighting for anything, okay, they have the right that they will get a free lawyer from the court if the court knows that this person is very poor. They have benefits of reservation. Okay, there are seats reserved for women from the weaker section in education, in jobs, and in politics. So this was the constitution, rights of women.